do it? Pull this.
Actually, let's have a look. Yeah, here we are. Pull that one.
This is a bit exciting.
Now you can open it like that. What does it say on there?
And oh my goodness, you're so spoiled. What's in there, Jazzy? Look, there's a letter. Oh wow, should we read the letter? Can Auntie Anne read the letter to you?
Shall I read it to you? This is the letter. Are you listening carefully? Charlotte. Dear Jasmine and Charlotte, I hope you are well at your house. I am glad you liked your purple cardigans. We miss you and hope to see you very soon. There is a calf here we have called Jasmine. Charlotte the dog has gone to another farm. Sure, its name. Maybe you could get Mummy or Daddy to take you shopping to spend the money in your purses.
Oh, there's money in your purses, and Charlotte's opening her Nutella.
Oh. Love you very much from Adelaide to Nutbush. Give our love to Mummy and Daddy. Lots of love, Nana and Didi.
Oh, can you wave to the camera and say thanks, Nana and Didi?
Thanks, Nana and Didi.
Can you say that?
Thanks, Nana and Didi.